The transport industry and the logistics industry is the most unorganized sector of now, but I feel that it is the most important sector of the whole manufacturing or what service industry, because all the manufacturers need this industry, then only they can function. So every industry is dependent on a logistics industry, and that being an unorganized sector, and the other part is a very organized sector. So you have to bridge a gap between both, and you have to learn the way which both the industry understands. Like you have to make your client understand how this industry is functioning and how you are going to solve their problem. And the client, the air transporters or the logistics industry, the lanes who are working down level at the industry, you have to deal with them rightly so that they will give you the output what you are expecting out of them.
Yeah. So gender dynamics. So when you talk about shipping, the only thing that attracts my attention is the ship and the seafarers. So students, when we talk about seafarers, earlier, basically in India, we only have the male seafarers who were visiting the ship, or they were sailing with the ship, or they were employed by the companies, right? So now I see this mindset, it's shifting, and we have shipping company like Shipping Corporation of India who are sailing a ship with all, female seafarers. Yeah, so that is a very proud moment for us. Now coming back to us, so we as a shipping professional, in my company, I'm very proud to say I'm the only lady operator amongst 40 operators operating from India. I am struggling like anything, and a woman ship operator. When we talk about ship, it's 24/7 demanding job. The ship is sailing all the time. You have to be on the top of it. You know where it is sailing. Suddenly, you are giving instruction to the ship कि आपको निकलना है from India to Bangladesh. So ship का अगर थोड़ा सा भी route change हो गया, then it costs lot of money, right? So every minute we have to pay higher to the freight we call. Higher is the we pay to the ship owners. 1 minute we give you some dollars. So we have to, time constraint is very important. Giving the timely instruction to the ship is very important. Coming back to gender diversity. So now I think when we talk about gender diversity, the only focus goes towards female equality, right? So it's not like female wants equality, or they are not asking कि हम एक बराबर. So first thing the mindset needs to change is both of the genders are equal. Now a shipping company like this today morning panelist we saw Ms. Chaitali Mehta. I actually worked with her in my ex-company Express Global Logistics. She used to help us with air freights and shipments. So I think no more our industry is no more male dominant. The females are entering and they are challenging, and I think it's difficult for the men to accept females at the leadership role, which is also changing because I have been seeing the fine shift of this, in my experience of 10 years. So it's slowly and steadily changing, and it's a good progress that I am observing, and I am being the most respected female employee at my workplace, and I'm very proud to be associated with the company who values DEI.
So as per my experience, if I touch upon gender equality, so I work for a cleaning company. So all the seafarers, Orion and I used to work with. This was 2 to 3 years back. All the seafarers were with me. But I see now many of the companies who emphasize on hiring or training female seafarers. And if I touch upon the show job, which is us employees in the company, working in the company. From my personal experience in leadership roles, I've been fortunate to work with the many of the females which were under the leadership roles. Most of my bosses were females. And then in my present company, when I work, the gender equality is more somewhat balanced. So yes, there are changes coming. There are companies, shipping companies, who are identifying that we females we just do very equal in terms of opportunities, in terms of recognition, and in recognition in our work. So this is the mindset which I can see that this industry is changing, and they are working to balance the gender disparities between us.
I'd like to add one more thing to that. That in coming times, yes, we are seeing the industry is adapting, moving seafarers as well on the shore, and you're managing it quite well. So it should be like the most capable should be given the job rather than be favoring one gender or the other. So it should be about the capable person, and that's what the industry is adopting right now.
Since we are a networking platform at Yakshit, so it's not we are not only promoting females. It's of course we are not gender biased here. On our board also we have a champion. He's also ex NMIS. He's also associated with a shipping company ownership. Works as application manager. So we are also promoting gender diversity. Also at in our industry, the shipping industry, there are a lot of platforms which are empowering and promoting women. So like us, Young Ship, we also have Vista. So Vista basically they promote women empowerment. Again, on the IMO, that is International Maritime Organization, we have one week for specifically for the women. So they are also titled as women in shipping. So you guys and the females over here, you can always go and follow those pages and connect with them, try to understand what they are doing at different weeks like us Young Ship. Then we have got another recently, directly I think in the month of April, we have an upcoming program which is inaugurated by Maritime CEO. So they are also hosting one event, so you guys can go there. Yeah, I'm promoting them as well.